Is the Autel MaxiSYS MS908S Pro II really the most powerful diagnostic tool for professional mechanics in 2025? Today, I'll show you its real performance, features, speed, and whether it's worth your money. Stay tuned. I'll also show you a live car diagnosis. Section 1. Device Overview. 2025 Upgraded Professional Diagnostic Scanner. 10.1-inch responsive touchscreen. Fast Android operating system. 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick updates. Advanced ECU coding and programming. Supports 150-plus global car brands. This scanner is built for daily heavy workshop use. Fast, reliable, and extremely powerful. Section 2. Key features. 1. Full system diagnostics. Engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, body control, chassis, TPMS, live data plus freeze frame plus fault code analysis. 2. ECU coding, online coding, offline coding for supported vehicles, retrofit and customization options. 3. Bi-directional control, active tests, fuel pump activation, injector test, door or window operation, cooling fan test, throttle control. 4. Service functions, oil reset, EPB, SAS, DPF regeneration, battery registration, throttle relearn, injector coding, gear learning. These functions make mechanical work much faster and more accurate. Section 3. What's in the box? When you purchase the MS908S Pro II, you get main tablet, J2534 VCI, OBD-II cable, additional adapters, power adapter, and heavy-duty carrying case. 1-year free software updates. Section 4. Live car diagnostics. Let's connect the MS908S Pro II to the car. Plug in the OBD port, and within seconds, the scanner is ready. Demo steps. Auto VIN detection. Full system scan. Live data graphing. Fault code explanation. Clearing DTCs. Running a bidirectional test, such as a cooling fan or injector test. The scanning speed is impressive, under 1 minute for a full system scan. Section 5. Pros and cons. Pros: fast processing and smooth operation, strong ECU coding capabilities, accurate bidirectional tests, supports a wide range of vehicles, high-quality build, professional workshop tool. Cons: higher price, yearly software update cost, a bit heavy for handheld use. Section 6. Price and value. The price might seem high, but if you run a workshop or work on multiple brands daily, this tool pays for itself quickly. The coding, active tests, and fast diagnostics make it one of the best investments for professionals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. If you want more scanner reviews or comparison videos, let me know.